الله أكبر الله أكبر.
Hi friends, let's learn how to make wudu.
الله أكبر الله أكبر.
Before you start, you should make an intention to make wudu. You can do this by whispering to your heart, I am going to make wudu. Okay, let's begin. Begin by saying Bismillah. Completely wash your hands including your wrist and between the fingers. Do this 3 times. Put water into your mouth. Swirl it around in your mouth and then spit it out. Do this 3 times. Sniff water into your nose with your right hand. Then blow it out using your left hand. Do this 3 times. Wash your face completely. Do this 3 times. Wash your right, then the left arm up to the elbow. Do this 3 times. Wipe your whole head with wet hands. Do this 1 time. Wipe your ears inside and out. Do this 1 time. Wash your feet up to the ankles, starting with the right foot and then the left. Do this 3 times. Finally, my friends, no salad is accepted without wudu. See you later.